Hey there, welcome to DollMotion. If you can remember, I did a fun collab with my friend Bozena from Doll's brand new look. We made the duo Cloud and Sephiroth from Final Fantasy VII. We are very good friends, so we sent each other packages with goods from our country. You can find the package I sent Bozena on her channel. And now for the package that I got. This package came from Poland, a very familiar country for me. Although I'm Dutch and live in the Netherlands, I have a Polish mother. So, ja rozumiem po polsku. Ale nie mówisz dobrze. I'm very excited to see what she got for me, so let's open it. Oh, cukierki! Hey, I remember these. My grandmother used to give me these when I was a child. I'm going to save these for later. Then we have tiramisu from Wafel, a famous Polish candy brand. I never had these. I love it when they're creative, with barcodes on the packaging. Well, let's open it. Hey, they look like lips. Nice. Then we have green menthol candies. They look like this. They smell very nice. Next up are Michaszki. Oh no wait, Michaszki. Let's just call them Michaels. I loved these when I was a child. They were soft chocolates with crushed nuts in it. Definitely buy these if you ever are in Poland. Then we have crème durak. Wait, hand cream. Just keep getting hand cream. I can almost start a collection. Next up we have homemade gelatine pudding. That I know these are very popular in Poland. I myself am a vegetarian, so I can't eat these, but we can still make them, right? Let's see, the water, we have to stir them and then in the fridge. Okay, let's make it in this pan. Here we go. Then some water. And then we have to stir it until it's fully clear. And now to the fridge. I poured it over into a clear bowl, so we can have a better look. Yeah, it looks very jelly, alright. Hey, what are you doing?
What? You can't eat this.
No, but
So, can I eat it?
oh, just help yourself. Then we have a big box of Ptasie Mleczko. I always thought they were with gelatine, but nope, they're not. So I can eat these. Whoa, 2 layers, nice. Let's see how they look like from the inside. Kinda like marshmallow. Next up we have, hey, merchandise! I love this, it's a mug with a logo on it. And on the back we have Pennywise. It's definitely one of my favorite customs from Doll's brand new look. This can go to my doll artist shrine. Then we have a small box with again her logo on it. Inside we have cute little bears. Oh, these are perfect for dolls. I will definitely use these in future videos. Hey, I know this character. This is Rexio, a famous Polish animation character. I watched a lot of Polish animation when I was a child, like Bolek I Lolek, Grziołek Matołek, and of course Rexio. You know what's even better? I already had a Rexio figurine. I bought this one in Poland some years ago. Luckily it's a different version. How did Bozena know I liked Rexio? I never told her. She must have a sixth sense. I loved everything I got in this package. It brought back so many nostalgic feelings. Thank you so much, Rosanna, for this fun package. I would like to thank my lovely patrons who made this video possible. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you in the next video. Bye!